I want to download MySQL installer 8.4. Go to mysql.com to download that. Downloads tab, click MySQL Community GPL downloads. You can either use MySQL installer for Windows or MySQL Community Server. Let's click MySQL installer for Windows. You can see the various versions here. We have 5.7.44, 8.0.41. We have the different operating systems here, but I want to use that of Windows. Click on download here. You don't need to log in or sign up. You click no, thanks. Just start my download. So you have downloaded MySQL installer. Now, we need to run the MySQL installer, which we downloaded earlier. Now, this is what we downloaded. You now double click it to run. Click yes. You can minimize this. Select full. Click execute MySQL in this case. So all have been downloaded. You click execute so as to install all. We need to be patient for all the components to be fully installed. Installation is about to be completed. Now, all the installations are complete. So you click next, put in your password, a strong password, and make sure you don't forget the password because you still need it. The user you want to add, then you put in strong password, but you are not adding another user in this case. So I've put in my password here, then click execute and allow all this to execute. Then you click next again. You check start MySQL shell after setup. You click finish. You have successfully installed MySQL server on your system. Then if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Davos Technology for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.